Hello everyone, welcome back. Finally, we have completed our IT asset management app in Microsoft Power App. Thank you to everyone who watched this series and support the channel. In this video, I'll give you the quick demo of everything we built together. So let's get started. This is our dashboard where you can see important asset information in one place. Next is the asset inventory where you can add and manage all your company assets. We also have the location management screen to manage different offices or company locations. Here is the employee management screen where you can add and manage employee records. We also created an engineering management screen to manage support engineers. Using the asset allocation screen, you can assign assets to employees and keep track of who is using each asset. The asset return help you record return assets and update their status. Finally, we have the asset detail screen. Here you can see the complete asset information, allocation history, return history and repair history all in one place. This make it easy to track the full life cycle of every asset. If you want to use this application in your company, you can download the complete solution from Apptomax.com. If you want to learn how this app was built, watch the complete tutorial playlist on this channel. Every screen is explained step by step so you can build the same application yourself. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. If this series helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helped me to create more free Power App tutorials and real business application for everyone. And what Power App project should we build? Let me know in the comment. I'll choose one of your ideas in the next tutorial series. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.